What's happening, guys and girls of YouTube? The Rust Belt Mechanic here. I want to thank you for stopping back by the channel today. Today we got something really cool and new from Diesel Products. We've got the dieselcrate.com diesel crate. All the other nerds in the family, they've got their loot crates to handle for all their video game stuff. Now we got stuff for our trucks. New product from Diesel Crate. Let's check this thing out. So I got an email notification a couple of months ago saying that they were going to start coming out with these, and I was pretty ecstatic about it. It's something really cool that they were kind of describing on their site, and if you go over to their site, they're still kind of running their intro deal, where if you sign up for it, you're going to get 10% off of it. That you can either subscribe for it monthly, you can get it, I think, every 6 months, and you can sign up for every year. The farther ahead you subscribe for it, the more of a discount you'll get. If you just do it month by month, I want to say it's like 34 bucks a month, somewhere right around there. 10% discount gets you 10% off of that. So they've got really cool stuff, and you can put in what you like, what kind of trucks you're into, whether it's Ford, Dodge, Chevy, or you really don't care, whatever their product of the month is, they've got that. Put in your t-shirt size or hat size, whether you're guy or girl, what you prefer in there, and they will custom make your diesel crate for you. So this being the very first one that they come out with, let's uncrate this and see what's in it. Alright, let's get her open. It's like a kid in a candy store. It's Christmas time for diesel guys. Alright, so first thing we come to on top, I subscribed obviously for the Duramax things since I got the trusty old Duramax. Got a vinyl sticker here, Stars and Stripes Duramax, white vinyl. That's really cool looking. Dieselcrate.com sticker, so if you want to represent that, you got it. Smelly good stuff. Black ice version. And because America. Got the American flag. Got a truck flag for you. Wow. There we go. Like a 4-foot flag. All-weather flag. That's really freaking cool. We'll fold that up right here shortly. But we'll make it nice and neat at least. Got that turbo keychain now. I never got one of these. This is pretty cool. That is annoying. I hope my kids don't find that. Pretty cool. Shop rag, because every diesel guy needs extra shop rags around. That'd be perfect to go in the door. Alright. Hot Shots Secret, powered by science, because science is the best. Alright, and for their first one, they've got a dieselcrate.com t-shirt. And like I said earlier, you put your name into your size of your t-shirt into there, and they get you your shirt size that you have. Dieselcrate.com. And on the back, that's kind of cool, some do drugs, others pop bottles. We solve problems with wide open throttles. That's badass. Not gonna lie, that is really cool. Including that and America. Alright, and then one of their new Hot Shots Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment 5-in-1 Fuel Booster. I'm going to be doing a video here in a little while based on a couple of fuel additives that I've been using lately. I'm just kind of trying to build up a couple of things that I'm going through trying on the truck to get some content wise and build up some information for you guys. But this will be another one that I can try. It's a 4-ounce bottle. It says it boosts cetane up to 7 points, increases fuel economy. Yes, I can read the label. At least pretend to. Treats up to 100 gallons of fuel. All in that little bottle. and that's the box guys. Now, you need to go over their website, give this a try. Each person that you get to subscribe after you subscribe to their thing, if you get three more of your friends to subscribe to getting these crates, they will send you these crates for free. And I'm not sure if you get a couple of single people, if it will just give you a discount on the next one or not, but it says right on their site that if you get 3 of your friends to subscribe, you'll get 1 crate for free, which is pretty cool in my book. Alright guys, so that was everything that we got in the first month's edition of the Diesel Crate, coming out by dieselcrate.com. Go over and check those guys out, sign up for it, see what you can get. I'm going to hopefully get a hold of them, maybe be able to get you guys a discount or something in the near future. We'll see how many people we can get along the bandwagon and going out with these cool crates for truck guys like us. Again guys, I want to thank you guys for stopping by the channel. It's been an amazing time. I want to say thank you for all of my subscribers who have come on here. I'm almost up to 200 subscribers. Maybe we're going to take off from there. We'll see where things go. Appreciate it again. Make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe button below. We're going to keep on coming out with new and cool content for you guys. Appreciate you stopping by. You guys have a good one.